Let's watch how to make this video where you see different videos behind each letter. Open new project. Select black background from the library. Freeze the video and delete the video portion. Expand the clip. Add text box and enter the text you want. Set font and size. Large size will give a good effect. Create compound clip. Select a video from the library and set on top as overlay. Go to Blend and select Darken. Select Mask and click Rectangle. Place the rectangle on the first letter. Now select second video and repeat the same. Repeat with different videos for each letter. Set all the clips to same length. You will get this final result. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Share your comments if you have any question.